Which statement is true? Letter A, the Philippines is a temporary member of the United Nations. B, ayan, the Philippines was admitted to the United Nations in 1971. C, the Philippines is a charter member of the United Nations. Or D, the Philippines used to be a member of the United Nations but now no more. Ang tamang sagot po natin dito is letter C, the Philippines is a charter member of the United Nations. Ano po ba ang goal ng United Nations? Bakit po siya natatag? Actually, ang pinaka-goal po ng United Nations, it's to prevent another world war from happening. Di ba? So, during the First World War, ayan, natapos ang First World War. Tapos nagkaroon ng League of Nations. Kaso, hindi ganun naging successful. Nagka-World War II. Ngayon, pagkatapos ng World War II, sabi nila, kailangan, di na ito maulit pa. Kaya po nabuo ang United Nations. Kaya nga, tinuturing po natin siyang most successful kasi hanggang ngayon, walang sumunod na World War III. No? Kaya magaling ang UN. Ngayon, samantalang kung dati, puro war lang ang pinipigilan niya, ngayon, no, naging ano na rin po, lumawak na rin ang scope niya. Even the SDGs that we know now, galing na po siya sa UN. Ngayon, in 1945, it was established by 50 to 51 countries. Sila po yung lumagda doon sa tinatawag nating UN Charter, no? Kaya po sila, no, which includes the Philippines, ang mga tinuturing natin na charter member.